Pokemon Mega Evolutions, Phantasmal Flames by the single box. We're doing the random type this time with our types and our trainers right here. We're going to go ahead and assign everything. Good luck, folks, for rolling the dice 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and right there is 7 times. You can do it! You can do it all night long! 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is 7. Good luck, folks. Send you guys to the table. And let me get this sheet printed. Is this thing out of paper already? Son of a gun. I'll do it later. I'll do it after this break. Fire definitely hates me. So you're saying you've never gotten fire, Eric? I mean, you've got both of the next best spots. You have all 3 of the next best spots. I mean, I know you're looking for the fire. Good luck, everybody. CNSAR today. Live, Laugh, Lotad. Fire Breather and Mega Heracross is a grass double rare hit right there. Going out to Eric. So maybe once. Palmot Seal. Genesect. I was looking at the numbers right there. You got friggin' Darumaka. I was gonna say 5. I need to look at the top of the cards. I feel like if I address that I need to not say the numbers, I do it more. Gliscor, Jumbo Ice Cream, and Zacian. Printer making all kinds of noise over there. That thing needs to shut up. Come on. We got Gloom, Bronzor, and there's Miss Magius. That's a psychic hit right there for Marcasio on the ultra rare. Ultra rare hit. Is that printer not going to shut up? Oh, it heard me. Yampa, Swinub, and Vileplume. That pack was a lot harder to open for no reason. Still haven't hit an illustration rare out of this box. We're looking for it. Wow, this box, something's up with the plastic out of this one, man. Flygon, Mimikyu, and Oricorio. Very important card for the Charizard decks that we're going to start seeing all over the place. Roberto. Charlos, Punk Helmet, and Flygon. There's Hassan. It's the holiday season. That's what Hassan just said. Tommy. Oh, we're back to going upside down. There's a Wooper. Love the Poké Center in the background of this one. It's just so cool. What's funny is that looks like a Scarlet and Violet. We're no longer into Scarlet and Violet era, but I guess we're getting Scarlet and Violet era cards, huh? Number 2. Don't need to say the number. That's Darkness, Eric. I mean, I guess it's not explicitly Scarlet and Violet. It could be any of the games, right? It's just for sure not ZA. And Mega Evolution is supposed to mostly be around the ZA games, so I'm excited for upcoming sets when we start seeing the trainers from Pokemon ZA make their way in. I saw in Mega Dreams we're going to have our first trainer from ZA getting a card. Mega Lopunny, that is a colorless. Who's got normal? That is Eric. In a pinch, got Toxel, Blowtorch, Zacian. Larminitin, Milcery, and Palmont. Not the greatest first half that we have here. Of course, it takes one SAR or one gold to change that all around. Psypalm and Reshiram. Trying to blend in. Not doing a good job. Trapinch, Dawn, and Toxtricity. Reminder again, folks, the blue mixer's in there. All kinds of different packs in that one. That one should be fun. That one should be a lot of fun. I got Absol, Bramblegast, and Suicune was hiding back there. iPalm got one. Moltres, Chaladon, and Ambipom. We evolve. Eric wants a Don with a bike. It's just, just the fact that that card is now in the pop channel officially called Don with a bike cracks me up, man. Mega Diancie on the Psychic spot. Marcasio with what I think is going to be making a very dominant appearance in a lot of Psychic decks coming up in the meta. Last pack of the first half here. Live, Laugh, Lotad. Nope. Spoilers. Mischievous, and there's that Ludicolo. Goofy-ass Pokemon. I told y'all, I've got beef with this Pokemon because of how hard it was for me to find a regular copy of this in Evolving Skies. I can't talk about Evolving Skies, then I get sad. Palmont. Alright, second half, come on. Produce an SAR, and all will be forgiven. Duraludon. We got Haunter, Sacred Charm, and there's a Rotom EX for the Electricity spot. That is festive. That is a festive. I want to see a Rotom box. I'm curious. I want to lose to that deck. I want someone to make it work real well. Oh, shoot. Is that a bike? Is that a bike? Is that a bike? That's a bike! Dawn with a bike. Now that's the manifestation mojo right there. Yeah, actually very decently centered. The back is clean too. Easy 9, potential 10 is what I would guess. Easy 9, potential 10. Booster of what? Which one, Mr. Roofer? Toxtricity, Duraludon. There's that Mega Sharpedo EX on the double rare hit right there for the darkness. That is Eric. You think darkness is your ally? Born in it, molded by it. I got Palmy. Skipped that Charmander by accident. Swinub, and there's a Reshiram. I don't know off of the dome. Benedict, would you happen to know? Off of the dome? Nimble, Naasian, and Genesect. Yeah, I want to say before tax and shipping. There's a Nimble. Little grasshopper. This guy jumps out at you. Give you the jump scare, bro. Give you the jump scare. Toxtricity. Miss Drevius. Oh, I see something spicy behind Snubbull. That's a switch. That's a switch. Supporter spot. Doing some work is what it's doing for Eric. Ultra rare switch. Viable card. I don't think we got personals for this one, Mr. Roofer. Vileplume, Leon, and there's a Moltres. We got Palmy, Dizzling Valley, and Ambipalm. There we go. Yeah, I could do that, Eric. I can do that for you. Take it to the other place. Or the grotto, as everyone likes to call it. I got Snubbull, Tauros, Jigglypuff, and there's a Mega Charizard EX in the form of a double. Mr. Roofer, if you stick around after this break, I'll see if I can do that for you. It would be exactly what Benedict said. Armenitan, Alchemy, and Reshiram. Swine, Gligar, Ambipalm, and Miss Magius EX on the double. Or the Psychic. Markashi. Actually, yeah. Mr. Roof, are you still there? Yeah, 320 we could do a personal. Wow, never see that. What the heck? That's a double time first. Trimplup and Vileplume. Bronzor. Got Charmeleon, Battle Cage, and Toxtricity. Hey. What's Jigglypuff looking at? The flower or the sky? Genesect, Togedemaru, and Flygon. Blue pack, second from the end here. Good luck. Come on. No, hit me another illustration rare or something. Boltund. Ah! It's always a joy seeing this one. Wigglytuff surrounded by the Jigglypuffs. That is a colorless hit right there. Absolutely adorable for Eric. Palm. Alright, you let me know, Ruther. You let me know. Bunny with the ears. Ceruledge, Suicune, Ultra? I mean Ultra? It is an Ultra. Oh, shoot. It is the Ultra that you're looking for. Roberto. Roberto with the Mega Charizard XEX. You know what? If I get a Charizard in ZA, I'm going to name it Charlie. Because then it's Charlie X and the get it. How many times can I make the same joke in the same month? Alrighty, recap. Starting with the double rares. illustration rares. We got ultra rares. And Don with a bike. Don with a bike. Congrats on that one, Eric. I will do what you request. That was Pokemon Mega Evolutions, Phantasmal Flames, random type number 28. 29 should be in the store. Thank y'all.